Hey guys, Justice Hart here. Welcome to our in-depth review of the Tanix TX1 Android 10 TV box. Today we'll be diving into everything you need to know about this device, from its build and design to its performance and features. But first, what's in the box? Inside the box, you'll find the TX1 TV box itself, a versatile remote control, a HDMI cable, and a USB cable, which also serves as a power cable for the TV box, bringing in power directly from the TV itself. The TX1 is impressively small and lightweight, with an all-plastic body. On top, you'll see the Tanix branding and a LED indicator. At the back, we have the HDMI port, AV connection, and the power input. The left side features a USB port for external storage like flash drives or portable hard disk. It's lightweight at just 0.17 kg, making it easy to place or move around. The matte black finish gives it a modern, understated look, while the build quality feels robust and durable. And these are its technical specifications. TX1 takes about 35 to 40 seconds to boot up to its main homepage. The user interface is straightforward. On the top right, you see the connectivity status. The TX1 is equipped with 2.4G Wi-Fi, supporting various internet services like Skype, YouTube, web browsing, Prime Video, and Netflix. It lacks an Ethernet port, so a strong Wi-Fi connection is essential for optimal performance. Unfortunately, there is no Bluetooth support, which limits connectivity options for additional peripherals. The main screen displays application icons, including pre-installed applications like Google Play Store, Netflix, Chrome, and YouTube. You can easily add your favorite app to the homepage. Meanwhile, the settings section has standard Android settings for customizing apps, notifications, and device preferences. Next up, let's talk about performance. The TX1 runs on an Allwinner H313 quad-core processor with 2GB of RAM and 16GB of internal storage, expandable via USB. Unlike many budget boxes that cap at 1080p, the TX1 handles 4K smoothly without buffering. However, the inbuilt streaming app on Stream seems to be limited to 1080p high definition resolution. Netflix also streams in high definition seamlessly. For those interested in benchmarks, the TX1 scores 97 on single core and 236 on multi-core. While this isn't high-end, it is sufficient for smooth operations of most apps and light gaming. You can connect game controllers via USB for a better gaming experience. The gameplay is smooth and the device manages to keep up without overheating. Using the file manager, you can play several 4K videos at 60 frames per second. The playback was flawless with vibrant colors, proving the TX1 capability to handle high-resolution content directly from external storage. Storage options for the TX1 include 8GB and 16GB eMMC. For users with extensive media libraries, the 16GB version is recommended. Nevertheless, I feel like the memory should be able to accommodate bigger. I've dealt with TV boxes that have up to 64GB, which is more suitable for storage-intensive usage. With that said, the Tanix TX1 TV box is a powerful and versatile device that delivers excellent performance for streaming and media playback. Its compact design and high-definition support makes it a great addition to any home entertainment setup. While it has some limitations, such as lack of Ethernet, Bluetooth, and poor storage space, its overall capabilities and ease of use make it a worthy consideration for anyone looking to upgrade their streaming experience. What are your thoughts? Feel free to let us know what you think in the comment section below. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our videos. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.